Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Elsa Rizpahpasi and my partner.
My name is Adelia Maharani.
And here we will tell you about stereotypes from Saudi Arabia. So let's check it out. So, what is stereotypes? A stereotype is a fixed general image or set of characteristics that a lot of people believe represent a particular type of person or thing. Let's think through of stereotypes of Saudi Arabia. Although the country is very young in relative terms, it was founded in 1932. The people who live in Saudi Arabia are part of ancient history and a strong culture. For those of us with an interest in culture, aspect of the Saudi Arabian culture can be incredibly fascinating, beautiful, and intricate. Let's take a look at some stereotypes of Saudi Arabia. First, women in Saudi Arabia can't think for themselves. While it's true that women in Saudi Arabia live in a very segregated culture and don't have the same right as men, Saudi women do the best they can with what they have and have shown remarkable tenacity and resilience to this effect. Same as Indonesia, this culture still exists in Indonesia and influence various aspects of people's life. Next, we'll explain by my partner.
Next, the second is Al-Saudi are religious extremists. Islam is much more than a religion. It is a way of life that touches on almost every realm, including the political, and this has led to relatively elevated amounts of religious extremism within Saudi Arabia. Different things in Indonesia. Indonesia have various religions and are not only focused on Islam. The third, Saudi live in the desert and ride camels. As you know, Indonesia is an archipelago, so we live on land filled with mountains, rivers, lakes, seas, etc.
Next, also these are very rich and live off oil money. Unfortunately, Saudi Arabia has as much of a poverty divide as any other country. Despite its vast oil wealth, nearly a quarter of Saudis are deemed to be living in poverty. In Indonesia, only a few people can own a particular company or factory, but the same thing with Saudi Arabia, there are more poor people than rich people. And the last is women can't divorce their husband. Whereas husbands in Saudi Arabia must merely verbally state their intention to divorce for divorce to happen. Women must take the situation to court for a judicial decision. In Indonesia, a wife can file for divorce for legitimate reasons. A divorce suit can be filed by a wife to the religious court without the husband's consent or knowledge. The divorce process will still go through a trial process at the religious court. So, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.